RDDT stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is RDDT Incorporated stock a buy. I'll be breaking all this down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. So ultimately, just looking at this thing is pumping very nicely. Like, I'm not even saying this in a bad way or anything, because, you know, beforehand I began buying like crazy good. Now we're $224. At the time of making this video, it was $109, right? So we basically doubled in price since 30th of May. And how things are looking like is, I just hope I can buy more, but that's only if the price corrects down a bit and gives me the confirmation. Because bro, last thing that I'm doing is buying randomly, you know what I mean? So even though it's here without the proper confirmation, I'm not going to look to buy. And I do have a lot of receipts with Reddit in the Discord. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated, of course. 7 receipts. Free source, first link below. Let's freaking go.